Hey guys, DJ Cubo15 here. Today I'm really excited because I got a huge package and it has like a lot of puzzles in it, and I put my address side down there so you can't see it, from Lightake also. So I'm really hyped right now. Let's just get into this.
I'm here too.
Can you see it? Tell me if you can see it. Yep. Oh my god. Let's see a box. Put that away. Get it open. Oh, okay. Now, have a baby. Oh shit, have a baby. Okay, I wasn't being that inappropriate. Stop.
Okay, fine.
As you can see, have a clock. A clock on the bottom. A Pyramorphix. A Z-Cube? I don't think I ordered. Maybe they put my helicopter cube in a Z-Cube box. But that's actually one of the ones that I'm most excited for. A helicopter cube.
What if they got the order wrong and they put...
Don't do that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Okay. Be positive.
Oh, it's like it's Goku.
Andy, hey.
It's Goku. Okay. So let's get the clock. Put the clock right there. Put my stack mat so it can't fall. Clock right there. Okay, I'm really hyped. Yes, good. They did put my helicopter cube in a Z cube box. Or this is a Z cube helicopter cube. Open it. I don't like to rip boxes because I'm like, why is my mat messed up? Oh, yo, put that to the side. This is a really good unboxing experience. I saw this flapping open.
Ooh.
This is a really nice box. This is a really nice box. We'll get into that later. Okay, open the helicopter cube.
Nice.
Fuck yeah. Master Morphix.
Is that small? I thought it was going to be bigger.
Well, you know the Pyraminx comes in a small box.
Yeah.
But they somehow fit it. It like messes with your mind. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip this box. Not. Okay. Pamphlet. Stuff.
I thought it was like bigger.
Master Morphix.
Kind
Let's
of.
do some first turns. Oh.
What?
Noise.
I'm confused.
Hot foods. Noise.
What?
Okay. So that's nice. I will put these boxes over there. Okay. Now I'll take these out of the bubble wrap.
Give me the bubble wrap.
Away. I'll unbox the Pyramorphix first because I'm really excited for the Pyramorphix too. Oh god. Jeez. Come on. There we go. Another pamphlet. Don't care. Holy crap, it's big. I knew it would be big, but I didn't expect this
I thought it would
freaking
be kind of
big.
like smaller.
I didn't-
thought the other one, what is it called?
The Master Morphix?
Yeah, I thought the Master.
Yeah, look at this is a
was gonna be
3x3
big.
and this is a 2x2. That does not make sense.
I thought the Master.
This is freaking amazing. Look at this. Awesome. Put that over there. Then finally, the 4x4 Pyraminx,
Nice.
which I am really. Oh. The little thing. Oh, it's a cutout. Whatever. 4x4 Pyraminx. Oh my god, this is so cool. Whoa, it turns really well, as the Shang-Chi puzzle will. It's like greasy. Bam.
Your normal Pyraminx Shang-Chi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. So cool.
Here, compare the sizes.
Oh, yeah. This makes no sense at all. Wait. The 2x2 is bigger.
What?
god, my stack mat fell. The
Yeah,
2x2 is
that-
bigger. Okay, is it bigger than the 4x4? No. So this is the size. It makes no sense at all. I'll get my stack mat later. But okay, so I've done turns. This isn't in the unboxing.
It's gonna be pretty.
Okay, wait, where did I put my thing? Oh no. I put my knife somewhere. There it is. Dot, 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 dot.
It's not working.
That was cringe. My little jingle was cringe. I'm a little baby and I'm sad because I can't get into my helicopter cube.
Oh, cringe today.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cringe. Yes. Die. Yes.
Oh.
Oh my god. I know you can
What?
do jumbles like I'm a noob. Wait, I know you can do jumbles on a helicopter cube. I know you can do them on a Kirby copter, but I'm pretty sure you can do them on a normal Yep, like just like that. Bam. Jumbles. My sister's just sitting there in amazement.
Just like, wow.
Boom, boom.
How does your face work?
You don't need to know that. Okay, be quiet now. Okay. Now, all these will set it to the side, and the final mega unboxing, the clock.
I thought it'd be smaller.
If you're
Why did it
like,
come in such a big package.
if you're like, why would this noob order a clock? I don't know. I saw DG Cubes had a tutorial on it, and I'm like, maybe I should get a clock. Oh, it's tiny.
Why does it come in such a big box then?
I didn't think it would be tiny like this.
I thought it would be that size.
Maybe I just have tiny baby hands.
Yeah.
Because I see everybody else on it. Oh, that's so cool. What? I see these. Oh, that is stiff. I get a finger must workout when I try and push these pegs. I think that's what they're called. Well, let's just leave that. Hopefully YouTube can figure out the end as a thumbnail, I guess. But to make sure it does, I'm going to do stuff with the boxes while I'm waiting to get a good thumbnail. Yeah, I know. I'm really desperate, aren't I?
Put away the pack. Plastic over there.
Okay. There's one box closed. Another box closed.
Put these over in your box of boxes.
Another box closed. Another box closed. And one more box closed. And this. Good. This has been DJ Cuber 15 with the most amazing unboxing ever. Oh my god, I'm so psyched about this. This one. This one, it looks like a spider. Oh, no. This way. So, DJ Cuber 15. See you next time.